Welcome back. Today we are going to be analyzing product descriptions. Now I myself have made a lot of money from writing product descriptions, and when you understand some fundamentals of what to do and what not to do, it will be very easy for you yourself to write these product descriptions. So, what I've done, I've selected two examples from a similar industry. This is a sound bar, so this is a speaker, and this is a television. One is written quite poorly, the other one is written very well. And just as a test, you yourself, which one do you think is the poorly written one and the well-written one? A or B? Speaker or television? The answer is B. This is the well-written one. Let's have a look why. First of all, notice and pay attention to the language used in these two paragraphs. Let's use these two paragraphs as the basis for our example, versus these two paragraphs, which I believe are the same. Let's take these three. So, compare the language. Enjoy 4K Ultra HD resolution. Now, you don't really want to talk about features. People don't buy features, they buy experiences. So, enjoy 4K Ultra HD resolution, high dynamic range. This means nothing. This doesn't have an impact on my emotions. This doesn't pull at my strings, which is what copywriting is. It's a form of persuasion. Content that delivers greater clarity with micro-dimming pro. Again, a feature. Copywriting is about emotion and desire. Full spectrum of color with wide color enhancer. Again, nothing, a meaningless feature. Access your favorite content quicker and easier. Now we're getting somewhere. But this needs to be woven throughout this entire introductory sentence, or paragraph, pardon me. With the new Samsung Smart blah blah blah, yep, feature, feature, feature. This is why example A is not that well written. Now let's continue down here. Yep, feature. Now I'm just going to highlight everything that's feature. 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 This is okay. Enjoy incredible picture and dramatic detail. That's getting closer. Still not ideal. Slim design. We've dramatically slimmed the entire TV, so nothing stands blah blah. Now, a smarter way to do this would be, our TV is so slim that it can hang on your wall like a picture frame. That is how to communicate in your product descriptions. Now, let's have a look at this one. The soundbar for music lovers. Excellent. Immediately, it has targeted an audience, which this one really doesn't. At all. They just state the model number and the size and the date. Compare that to the soundbar for music lovers. HD TVs offer an amazing picture. Already, he could have basically just chopped that off and put that here, and it would have been better than this product description. But anyway, but lack the powerful and let's pay close attention to the words. Powerful, realistic sounds that movie, music, and gaming enthusiasts enjoy. Immediately, they have targeted an experience and targeted an audience. Excellent. Let's continue reading. The Sonos Playbar wireless soundbar delivers sophisticated home theater acoustics and wirelessly streams all the music on Earth. Now, if you're like me, I form an image in my mind when I read this of the Earth, as in this Earth. And I imagine all of these wireless little bits of information going all around. I have access to this. Very powerful imagery. Let's continue. All the music on Earth through one streamlined, easy to use soundbar. Easy to use. No one wants to waste 3 hours reading an instruction manual. Believe me, and we've all had that experience. Plus, Playbar wirelessly streams all music. This can be deleted. This is repetitive, so this doesn't need to be here. The Playbar requires just 2 chords. Again, very, very visual. You only have 2 chords to deal with. And I'm looking at my old Marantz audio system, and there are about 14 chords. So compare that, 2 chords, that's all you need. 1 power chord and 1 optical chord, both included. So immediately they are detecting objections. Because you may think in your mind, it requires 2 chords. Oh man, do I need to buy something on top of this? No, both included. It's almost a mind-reading tactic. If anyone does neuro-linguistic programming, you put yourself in the other person's position. What objections could they possibly have to this sentence? And it's just wonderful to see someone do it in such a timely manner. It syncs with other Sonos speakers wirelessly and understands and speaks most IR remote language, or control it for free apps on your smartphone. So immediately it's providing solutions to possible problems you may have. Really well done, well written product description. Playbar plays all sources plugged into your HDTV, including cable and SAT boxes, Blu-ray players, etc. If it's connected to your HDTV, Playbar will play it. And there's a nice little alliteration here. Playbar will play it. Combine a Playbar with a sub or a pair of Playwire 1s or Play 3s and you've got an immersive 5-1 sound. Here, I believe they could have done a bit better. Describe what these are. Not everyone knows what a Play Y1S or a Play 3S is. So you can't form that visual image. A subwoofer and a pair of, I imagine that they're some sort of speakers. And you've got an immersive 5.1 surround, let's put surround sound. And with it, this is a bit clumsy. The power to play anything and make it sound amazing. I believe, as good as this product description began, I believe that the conclusion could have been a bit better. How could we make this better? Let's take this exercise to the next level. How could we make this conclusion much better? So first of all, let's research Play, whatever this is. Now, if you're using, and this is one of the required softwares for doing this course, it makes your life a lot easier. If you're using spiderwebs, and if we've already set up the Google hotkey, all you do is you highlight Play 1S and press ~G, and instantly we search for this online. So what is this thing? It's a wireless speaker. So actually, let's go to images. So this is the Play 1. And obviously it's surround sound. Now we know it's surround sound. So let's edit this sentence. So compare the previous concluding paragraph with this. Combine a Playbar with a sub and a pair of surround sound speakers, such as, just being a little more, clarifying a little bit, setting a bit of context for people that don't know what the Play 1s are. And you've got an immersive, thundering 5.1 sound experience. Thundering, use the language of the product. The product is to improve your sound experience. Thundering, a very auditory word. Now you have the power to play anything and make it sound like real life. So, I hope this lecture was useful. I tried to demonstrate how, by analyzing a poor example and a good example, what you need to do to write quality product descriptions that will get you the top contracts, the top earning, top paying contracts. This is what you need to do. This is the level that you need to aim for. So as per usual, if you guys have any comments at all, any feedback for me, I'd love to hear it. Please post something in the discussion section. And if you want to do a bit of homework and really not separate yourself from the pack, but really try and get the most out of this course. Create an example of this. Take what you consider to be a poor product description and spice it up a little bit. And maybe post the link to the product description and your new version. And I'll be happy and I'd love to take a look at it and give you some honest feedback. So once again, thank you for listening, guys, and I will speak to you guys very shortly.